It is precisely a year to go until the people of Wales go to the polls in the most important election that we've had since the advent of devolution. Never before has change been more important, and never before have the people of Wales given signals that they are ready for that change. Plaid Cymru is ready to form a government in a year's time. 26 years of Labour-led governments have left us with a dysfunctional health and care service, with an underperforming education service, economy that is underperforming, with a legacy of poverty that is a shame on our nation. Ac ym mhob un gymuned yng Nghymru, mi fyddan ni'n dadla'r achos mai ni ydy'r rhai ymddiried ynddyn nhw I ddod ar newid sydd I angen. Da ni'n gwybod be mae arweinyddiaeth llafur yn ei olygu, da ni'n gwybod nad oes yna arweinyddiaeth gredadwy gan yr un blaid arall. And in every single community in Wales, we will be making the case that it is Plaid Cymru that we are asking people to trust to deliver that change. And we know how desperately disappointed people have been in Labour's leadership in Wales under Senedd Morgan refusing to stand up for our communities, and in what Keir Starmer has done as the UK Prime Minister. People know that Plaid Cymru is the only credible pro-Wales government that they can choose to offer us a fresh start as a nation from next year. I'm excited about the work of going out there and building trust with the people of Wales in every part of our country. The hard work really does begin now, with a year to go, and we're ready for May the 7th, 2026.